Welcome to Crash Cases, where 1 second of distraction can rewrite a lifetime. These are moments caught on camera split between luck and loss. Every skid tells a story, every screech a warning. Roads don't forgive. Keep your focus, grip the wheel. Let's witness how control disappears faster than you think. An elderly man crossed carelessly, forcing an orange car to brake hard. 2 trucks failed to react in time and collided. Stay aware, 1 moment of focus prevents chaos. Speeding driver swerved to avoid an elderly pedestrian, nearly hitting 2 people on the sidewalk. No one was hurt. Slow down control keeps everyone safe. Surveillance footage showed multiple collisions in a tunnel. Many drivers were speeding and not watching ahead. Focus and discipline keep roads safe. Drunk driver crashed into a gas station, hitting a fuel pump. Alcohol and driving never mix. Think before you drive. Car lost control and crashed into an electric pole, breaking it in half. The driver was taken for treatment. Stay focused, control prevents tragedy. Large truck slammed into a line of cars on the highway, sending 1 vehicle off the edge. Keep distance safe. Spacing prevents disaster. Container truck braked hard at a red light. Steel sheet slid forward, cutting through the cabin. Seatbelt saved the driver. Always buckle up. Dashcam showed an ambulance overturned. Cause unknown, but with help from bystanders, everyone was safe. Stay calm. Teamwork saves lives. Female driver lost control after pressing the accelerator by mistake, crashing into a community center lobby. Stay calm, focus prevents accidents. Dump truck crossed lanes and didn't slow down on the curve, crashing into two oncoming vehicles. Control your speed. Caution saves lives. Every impact leaves more than twisted metal, it leaves a lesson. Every survivor carries a reminder of what could have ended worse. Stay aware. Slow down. Respect the road because it remembers everything. Don't be the next headline. If this made you think twice, hit like, share the message, and subscribe for more real moments on crash cases.